Most entrepreneurs are asking the wrong question. They're asking, should I start a traditional business or do network marketing? But in 2026, that's not the real decision. The real question is, which model actually gives you leverage without burning out or without you going broke first? Because I've done both. And I'm going to break down the real pros, the real cons, and the part that nobody tells you. Stay tuned. All right. Let me just say this straight. Okay. Let's just get this straight. Most people think traditional business equals legit. Network marketing equals risky or less serious. But that's outdated thinking. Because the truth is, both models fail most people. Most traditional businesses fail within the first 5 years. Most people in network marketing, however, never make any real money. So the model alone is not the answer. No. The difference comes down to skills, leverage, and systems, okay? Let's talk about traditional business for a moment, okay? So let's just break it all the way down about a traditional business. Like, this includes things like opening up a clinic, starting a brand, launching a service business like house cleaning, something like that. And here are the pros of a traditional business. You have full control, you own the brand and the equity, and you have higher long-term upside. There are also cons. Number one, high startup cost. You are responsible for everything. It's slow to profitability, and you need systems, marketing, and hiring from scratch. Here's the part people don't say out loud. Okay, but I'm going to tell you, you're not just building a business. No, you're building an entire infrastructure. Okay. And most entrepreneurs underestimate that totally. Like, they think that I'm just starting a business. However, what they're actually signing up to become is the CEO, the marketer, the sales team, and the operations manager, all at the same time. All right? I hope you're getting this. Now, we're going to switch gears and we're going to talk about network marketing. Okay? So let's get all up into network marketing. Here are the pros of network marketing. Low startup costs, number one. You can plug into existing products and existing systems that are already built. The mentorship is already built in if you choose right and when you choose right. And you can leverage through a team. Now, here are the cons. Reputation issues. Low barrier to entry, so a lot of unskilled people. And your income depends on your ability to lead and recruit. Okay? And most people are taught outdated methods. And here's the truth. Y'all know I'm always going to tell you the truth. Most people won't say. Network marketing doesn't fail people. No. Bad training and no systems do. Like if your entire strategy is DMing your friends, posting randomly, and staying consistent with no direction, honey, you're going to burn out and burn out fast. All right? So, maybe you're asking this. What actually matters in 2026? And this is where most entrepreneurs get it wrong all the time. They focus on the model instead of focusing on leverage in 2026. See, in 2026, the winners are using content, they're using systems, they're using automation, and they're using personal brand. And it doesn't matter what business you're in, if you don't have these things, you're stuck trading time for money. And let me be blunt here. If your business requires you to chase people, convince people, or constantly start over every month, that's not a business, okay? That's not a business. That is a treadmill, right? Okay. Now let's really compare the two, all right? Let's just be honest. I'm going to give you an honest breakdown, okay? Factor. Traditional business versus network marketing. Now, we're going to talk about 5 different things. Startup costs. In traditional business is high. In network marketing, it is low. Control. Traditional business high. Network marketing is medium. Right? Speed. In traditional business, it is slow. In network marketing is much faster. Risk. Traditional business is financial risk, and in network marketing is reputational risk. Scalability. It is high with systems in traditional business and high with leadership in network marketing. So, which one is better? You're asking that maybe. Well, neither if you don't know what you're doing. However, network marketing becomes powerful, very, very powerful when you stop chasing and you decide to build a brand and you use systems, all right? Traditional business becomes powerful when you have capital. Number 1, when you have infrastructure. Right? And when you understand scaling. Hope you're getting this. Let's talk about my perspective for a little bit. And here's where I stand on the issue. I don't believe in choosing one blindly. Right? I believe in using the model that gives you cash flow now, skills that can transfer, and leverage long term. All right. For many people, network marketing can be a training ground for entrepreneurship. Right? If it is done the right way. But if you treat it like a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby. Right? Okay. Now, if you want to see how to actually build this the right way, build your business the right way, not by chasing people, not by burning out, not guessing what to do next, then I want you to watch the next video in this series, okay? Because I'm going to break down exactly how to build a system that attracts people to you instead of you chasing them. All right, so be sure to watch the next video that is coming up on your screen. In the meantime, in between time, stay consistent in your business, keep your crowns on straight, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.